Hi, lovely people, and good night. And one fun fact: my father's mother, my grandmother, Angela Amos, doesn't even know that I exist. Yeah, so my father's mother doesn't even know that I exist because unfortunately she went to America before I was even born. But yes, sorry, I was just looking at a tasty for. But yeah, anyway, um, she doesn't know that she has a granddaughter. She knows about her two grandsons, but she doesn't know about me. What a fun fact, or shall I say, not so fun fact. And then anybody who happens to know Eddie Edward Edkomse Versace, please send him this way. Tell him that his baby, last born baby daughter, would like to speak to him and that he should make a turn. Yeah, let's hope that he is still alive because I would also have actually liked to know him better so that I can know myself a bit better. But sometimes shit happens, mostly to me, but not anymore. Not anymore. I took my journey into my own hands and I said, I will create your future, and your future will be full of blessings. No more distractions, no more pain, no more. Bye, devil. Hello, Jesus.